be showing you how to do a treble crochet decrease. So I'm working in rows. It's just a lot easier to show in rows than in rounds, but the concept is exactly the same. And I'm going to show you a little something extra. I like to call it a turning treble crochet. So I don't chain at all, I just turn, and then into that first stitch I'll work a single crochet, and then into that single crochet I go in between the bars there, pick up that, and into the opposite side I also go under that first bar. Let me see if I can get that better. And then I work a single crochet into that, and then I do it one more time, because that would be a turning double crochet. And I'll just work another single crochet into that, and that is my turning treble crochet. Now to do a treble crochet decrease, I'm going to show you the normal way and the invisible way. The normal way is a lot better for blankets or sweaters, and the invisible way is a lot better for amigurumi. You're probably not going to be using treble crochet a whole lot with amigurumi, but sometimes. So you'll yarn over twice. This is the normal way. So you yarn over twice, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two, and where you would normally yarn over and pull through those last two to finish off your treble crochet, instead you're going to yarn over twice again, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull up that loop, yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two, and now you're going to yarn over and pull through all three of those loops on your hook. And now to do an invisible one, you're going to yarn over twice, insert your hook into the front loop of the next stitch and the front loop of the stitch after that, and yarn over and pull through those two loops, and then yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two. And it just, for some reason, the invisible decreases look a lot better when you're doing tighter stitches, and when you're doing looser stitches, the normal way looks better. Not sure why, it just does.